Good morning. What do you got? Give me that. Come on. You gonna go outside? What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Sunny, out. Go potty. Oh, is that snow? Oh my goodness. What did you find? Our first snow of the year. Sunny! Get the snow! Looks pretty, huh? It's cold in my slippers. Oh my goodness. Get the snow. You get it. Come on. Come on, Sunny. She's running around the whole block. What are you doing, silly? You're like Sunny.
I love snow.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna be soaked.
I shouldn't have ran when I just woke up.
Snow day. Go get the snow, Sunny.
Snow! Oh, I'm shivering.
Oh, he's excited. Our first snow.
Go get it! Go get it! Mommy has a mustache. Oh yeah, Mom, we cannot build a snowman with him out here.
No, just play with him for a little bit.
He caught it in his mouth.
Good job.
Wait, Mom, watch. I'm gonna throw it this way so you can see it. Oh dang it, it got all caught in my glove. Honey, come here. Stop. Honey, touch it, touch it. No, go. Marcus, change it for a little bit. He's gonna arrest that. Mom, the snow is coming down so fast. If you just like look down.
Get it, Sunny. Get it.
What are you doing? Daddy. Mom, I'm gonna jump on the trampoline with him. Okay. Can you see us?
Yeah.
Sure. Look at the fountain. That's gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my butt's cold.
I'll bet it is. One day.
Oh, can I fall down in the snow?
Sure. I'm sure there's no dog poop under it. There can't be. It's so white and clean out. I cleaned it all up, by the way. You're safe. Say, good job, Uncle. Do it in the rocks.
What?
Do it in the rocks. You know there's no mud there. Or out here on the concrete. Don't fall down. It's going to hurt. Just lay down.
No, not that thick.
Nice angel, though.
Oh, gosh.
Get him! Get him, Sonny! Get him!
Get him!
Marcus, what'd you put the, oh.